honest, there was a time that my parents didn't allow me to ride a bike because they thought it was too dangerous. But now, because I'm 31 years old, I can make my decisions. No, it's not actually, because I wear a helmet. So, and I love getting recognized. I love if somebody takes my picture. But I do take it out every night, and now the weather's not too good. It's a little bit too humid. But whenever I get a chance, I love. I remember in Goa when we used to go with all our friends, for New Year celebration. It was great to hire a bike, a scooter, and just ride along. So yeah, these are the times that you really enjoy riding scooters.
Ranbir, after...
No, I'm not. I have no intention. Yeah, no. What is the best part? I think, they push the barrier where design is concerned, innovation is concerned. They make products which are user-friendly. They make products. Hero has been, I think, a brand which is one of the pillar brands of India, since the time they started. Now they've gone worldwide. I think Pawan sir has really pushed the boundaries of the brand. So I think it's something that I'm really proud to be associated with. I'm really grateful towards the fact that they chose me as the brand ambassador. And I'm happy that, all you guys are here for the support of the Hero Maestro.
Ranbir, as you mentioned about, have you gotten over the Besharam failure? What I was thinking was, because of that, are you really more under pressure because Bombay Velvet is coming around? Because you've seen success for the past 2-3 films actually before Besharam. And you got a tremendous response from your fans. But because of Besharam, does that put you under a lot of pressure?
Actually it's the opposite way. I feel that when you're very successful, then there is the pressure on your next film. I remember when Savarya was such a big disaster, my first film, then the pressure was easy on me. They didn't have any expectations to become the underdog. Like I said, Besharam was a failure which I completely own. Is somebody which I have to accept. It was my fault. Fault as in I believed in it, but I guess it didn't turn out too good. I worked hard on a film called Bombay Velvet, which is directed by Anurag Kashyap, should release on 28th of November. So hopefully, my intentions were good, the director's intentions were good. We made a good engaging film. We're not making a film for ourselves. We want to make films for the public, for the fans. So hopefully that'll be a better experience.
रणबीर, यहाँ बॉबी में ऋषि कपूर को अपना हीरोइन को बाइक को भगा के दिखे.
हाँ जी सर.
बॉबी में ऋषि कपूर को अपना क्लाइमेक्स में हीरोइन को बाइक पे भगा.
बॉबी बाइक पे.
हाँ, तो इस बाइक पे आप किसको भगाना चाहोगे और किस फिल्म में?
मुझे पता नहीं है बाइक कितनी भागती है और कितने फास्ट भागना पड़ेगा, बट अभी तक सर वो नौबत नहीं आई है, so I haven't given a thought. The hero of my life, I would say, I guess every boy's hero is their father. They look up to him, not only because my father is a hero on screen, but because of certain values and certain things that you want to be like him, you want to dress like him. कपड़े तो नहीं पहन सकता because of our size differences. एक ज़माना था where I used to fit into his shoes. Now my shoe size is also bigger than his. So I guess every son's hero is their father. And Messi, Lionel Messi, football player. रियल लाइफ में आई थिंक हम सब जासूसी करते हैं. आप अभी जासूसी तो कर रहे हो, अगर आप पूछताछ कर रहे हो तो जैसे आप पूछते हो तो मैं भी अगर किसी से मिलता हूँ तो अगर मैं एक प्रश्न पूछता हूँ तो जासूसी हो जाती है.
रणबीर,
हाँ जी, हाँ जी. पीठ के पीछे, हाँ, मैं तो पूछते रहता हूँ कि मिस्टर शाहरुख खान ने कौन सी फिल्म साइन किया, मिस्टर सलमान खान कौन सी फिल्म कर रहे हैं, मिस्टर आमिर खान क्या कर रहे हैं, ऋतिक रोशन क्या कर रहा है. सो यू कीप आस्किंग, you're interested कि हमारे फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में लोग क्या क्या कर रहे हैं. मैं बहुत पूछता हूँ.
Ranbir, one question posed to you a couple of days ago at the football match was, and Imtiaz sort of gave an answer on that. But Preeti's case